Oh my god, it's my first time cooking. Or camp cooking. That's really, really sad for someone who's 38 years old. I've never really camp cooked. Really simple breakfast. We're gonna make sausage and egg sandwiches. So let's get this baby started. Okay, this is my first cleaning test of this low water usage cleaning test. So get as much gunk off to start. This is a spray bottle with soap and water. And it's just soapy dishwater. Another one of just regular water. Excellent. So that's ultra low water usage cleaning. Spray bottle of water, spray bottle of soapy water. And that's it. Same deal. Wipe out the gunk. And rinse. All clean. That works out really good, actually. Oh, look what I got in the mail. All right, the Road Pro portable stove heats food up to 300 degrees. Now that actually cooks stuff, which is the different than all the other warmers out there. They only warm food. This one actually will cook your food like an oven. And the Mitchell vehicle fan. This one has really good ratings. 2 independent fans. Excellent. So these are both 12 volts, and we're gonna use those in the build later on with the battery bank. So I picked up Bear Mace, Bear Attack Deterrant, and this is different than regular mace. Now mace is about 5 times stronger than this as far as chemicals, and it's made to incapacitate. Now, bear mace isn't made to incapacitate, it's made to irritate and deter, which also, so they add capsaicin and some other things that burn. Now, it's not going to incapacitate a bear because, well, bears are huge, but it does work differently than regular mace. Now, if you have regular mace, it shoots out as a stream. This one shoots out as a mist, and you're not trying to get a bunch in someone's eyes. And if you have a stream, that's for close combat within 10 feet, and it will really put a person down for a while. This is a mist, and it goes up to 30 feet. And now this covers a huge area, and that's what you want. You don't want a bear getting within 10 feet of you. So definitely get the aerosolized spray, or the aerosol mist bear attack deterrent. Now I hear this also works with wolves and a lot of other predatory animals. So definitely a great thing to have when you're out in the wilderness. And I've only heard great things about this product. And this is Frontiersman, the Frontiersman brand bear attack deterrent.